6 home remedies that you should never try. Today we have easy access to a variety of recipes and home remedies that are said to allow us to treat and prevent health and beauty problems, making it unnecessary to pay high amounts of money for expensive treatments and improve our lifestyles through natural medicine. While it is true that many recommended are effective and can be huge helps, experts remind us that not all of them work and some of them can have more bad effects than good. Considering expert opinions on the negative effects that some of these home remedies can have on our health, we will share 6 remedies that are best not to prepare. Shell and dried fruit exfoliants. Natural exfoliants are one of the best alternatives to deeply clean skin, hydrate it, and eliminate excess dead skin cells that have accumulated. However, it is very important to take into account the ingredients in these products, since some can hurt our skin and cause micro lesions that can even cause scars. For example, some exfoliants that are prepared with pistachio, or nutshells, crushed almonds, combined with olive oil can damage skin due to all of the irregular edges. The same thing happens when you exfoliate with shells. Home enemas. Home enemas are done by pouring water into the rectum to try and stimulate a bowel movement. Some even prepare enema using coffee, due to the false belief that the caffeine will help clean out their system. This isn't true, and according to experts, any home enema is extremely risky since it might puncture the rectum and create serious side effects or even lead to death. This is why doctors recommend you do not do this, especially at home. It is better to opt for an over-the-counter medication for constipation, and if this doesn't work, you should get in touch with your doctor. Treating acne with toothpaste. Treating acne with toothpaste is one of the oldest and most common tricks in history, because it has shown results. Baking soda found in toothpaste manages to dry out pimples and as a result, diminish the appearance of acne. However, experts maintain that it is not the best alternative, since even though baking soda helps with pimples, toothpaste has chemical compounds that can irritate the skin. Among some of the most harmful ingredients for your skin found in toothpaste are alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, and menthol. Yogurt to ease vaginal infections. The idea behind this home remedy is based on the live cultures found in yogurt that contain acidophilus, which can help get rid of bad bacteria. Unfortunately, it hasn't been proven that these actually fight vaginal infections, and according to gynecologist Mary Jane Minkin, MD, a professor at the Yale School of Medicine, you should never use flavored and sweetened yogurt that is generally kept in the refrigerator since sugar in or around the vagina can provoke even more infections. What you should do is eat yogurt regularly, especially when you are taking antibiotics to avoid infection, but you should never apply it to the vagina. Egg white face masks to tone skin. Many rumors uphold that egg whites help firm skin, which is why many women use this remedy. According to experts, There is no evidence that points to whether or not this is true. Many people believe that egg whites make the skin firm since it feels like it when the skin is dried out, but the truth is that the skin goes back to normal when the egg whites are washed off. In addition, there is the risk that you could get sick if you get some form of salmonella in your mouth. Butter to treat burns. Some believe that butter can alleviate and cure a burn caused by an open flame or by the sun. This is completely wrong, since butter is the perfect environment for bacteria to form and create an infection. Experts recommend that you apply cold water and antibiotic cream.